Hey guys, Joey here. So, wanted to take a quick second and just give kudos to Schumacher for making such a great battery charger. Um, this is something that I use to charge batteries overnight. If you want to hook it up and not worry about it overcharging your battery, you can actually select your rate here: charge, maintain, boost, engine start. Tells you if the clamps are reversed or if the battery is bad, which is really nice. Lets you know when it's on, and it also tells you when it's charged and it's just maintaining. So one of the things we want to keep in mind is that batteries on RVs, sometimes they don't last very long, and one of the problems with it is the batteries will go dead, and then you recharge them, bring them back to life. Every time they go dead, they lose a little bit of life, and they don't last as long. And then another problem is people will hook up a charger that never stops charging, and it boils the batteries. So I really find that the Schumacher is a very good option when it comes to charging and maintaining RV batteries if you have it in storage. So anyways, that's just a quick video for you guys. I hope everybody's having a great summer. I hope you're all having a lot of fun out there on the road, traveling and touring the United States, or whether you're a full-time RVer or just a part-time RVer. But if you're looking for a great affordable option for a battery charger, I'll post a link below and you guys can take a look and let me know what you think, if you've given it a try and used it. Or if you have any other questions, we will be coming out with a very in-depth battery video on our channel. And I just want to take a quick second too and thank everybody that has subscribed. We're over 900 subscribers now. We're about 100 away, I believe 97 or 98 away from hitting 1,000 subscribers, and that's because of you guys sharing the videos and subscribing. I'm hoping you guys are liking some of the videos that I've been releasing, and remember, my goal is to save you guys money, and I'd really like to get past that 1,000 subscribers mark. So I appreciate everybody that shares the videos, likes the videos, and comments on the videos. Your questions, I do like to answer those, so by all means, please feel free to comment your question and I'll try to get to it as soon as possible. Anyways, until next time, thanks for watching guys, and safe travels.